Hello YouTube! Sorry for the fan noise in the background, but I'm shooting this in the garage. Just a quick update, as I built a new module to replace the temporary Module 1, and since it's high state of charge relative to the rest of the pack, I thought I'd use this as an opportunity to test out the new smart discharger I got on eBay. It's a little 150 watt programmable load, up to 150 watts depending on the voltage. Right now it's doing 10 amps, more or less, at about 4.22 volts. Although, if you look over here on my better meter, it's actually closer to 4.11 volts. So, I think there's a bit of a calibration issue between the voltage sense lines and the actual current connection. Although it is nice of them to separate them out, in case I wanted them to be. I kind of wish they included a shorting bar to common them up. Oh well. Other updates? I grabbed a bunch of 5-volt fans from eBay that are from Amazon. They're designed to cool laptops. They came, 2 of them on a single USB connector, but separating them out, they cover the long-mons quite nicely, so that when they go into bypass mode, they can stay in the full bypass for a bit longer. Still need to get a smaller 5-volt fan to fit on that last module, but since that's the module that I'm going to be replacing shortly with a higher capacity pack, hopefully it will be staying in bypass for less time. Lastly, but certainly not least, my new Watchmon4 is here, and it mostly works. You can see the network lights blinking away there, and the newly redesigned board providing much better use of real estate up here, so they're able to add some inputs and outputs. Unfortunately, since I didn't order the starter kit, this little 4 connector block didn't come with it, so I had to sacrifice this one so I could hook up the shunt, which irritatingly still doesn't work. I tried the old mod, what's it, SPF 102 mod, just on a whim. It also does nothing, no lights, no data. I think my setup is just cursed, and I'm not going to have current monitoring, but thanks to Jaren for showing me how to turn off the low shunt voltage monitoring, so at least the Watchmon is no longer in critical offline and is more or less happy. Got the Bitcoin miner going here. It's temporarily manually enabled, but right now I am overriding it by shorting this little relay to ground. It's a 40 amp up to 60 volt, up to 200 volts on the load side, up to 32 volts on the line side. So I'm using the same 12 volt converter that I'm using to power the Bitcoin miner to generate the power to control the relay, and I'm just using the negative through relay output number 2 on the expansion board to turn the Bitcoin miner on when I get a high voltage alert for one of the cells. Right, so I've disconnected the little jumper wire going to negative there. As you can see now, the Bitcoin miner is turned off. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you on the next one.